Could you tell us since when you're in business and what is it exactly that you do?
DTT is one of the oldest group of companies in UAE. We are here since 1979. We are in this business since 1996, specifically trading mobile phones, laptops, tablets, data center accessories, service pack LCDs, home appliances.
Could you tell us how 2021 has been different to 2020?
There's a huge difference. You know, last year we were facing this pandemic things and things were not going well in terms of business, in terms of personal life, in terms of health, everything. So definitely this year was amazing. And as UAE government was preparing for this year, for the expo, things were getting better from the beginning of the year only. Yeah, this year was very nice and we covered last year as well.
How do you see the market at the moment and which brands do you do?
In gitex, we found it out some of the new customers from some new regions like Israel. It's open for Dubai now, and Netherlands customers. You know, these are the regions what we were not focusing before. Now things are getting better. We are getting some more new regions as well. Stock is coming from different regions. As Dubai is the hub, everyone is welcome over here. All the stocks are coming over here. So market is getting more competitive and we are enjoying it.
You're one of our exhibitors in gitex 2021. How is your experience so far?
Oh, this was 10 out of 10. This year, you guys nailed it. Really, it was nice, very nice. We got the best of it. We were able to close some of the deals. One deal with an Israeli customer. We were looking for some graphic cards, what we were not able to find. That we find it over here.
What is that intrigued you from the industry and keeps you going on?
For me, it's a passion. It's a game, and we work like we enjoy. We are like a family, and we are enjoying it. Means all day, the regions where we are bringing it from, the regions we are exporting, the region where we are sitting right now. So we are covering almost all of the world. So we are bringing up from Far East, we are keeping in GCC, and we are exporting to Europe, US, Middle East, all of these regions. So we start working early in the morning and we are working till late night. So it's like something that we are used to of it. Now, if someday you say that there's no messages coming on, that thing can make us panic. What's happening? There is something wrong with us. So we are used to of it and we love it.
What do the next 1 or 2 years looks in terms of expansion of your company and your business?
We are already expanding ourselves. We are looking forward to have more branches in more Middle East regions. Like we have a plan in KSA, Kuwait, Bahrain. These are the regions we are planning to expand and get some more branches. Industry is like more open now. Everyone knows each other. The business is going on. Relation, as I said, that we are here since 1996, so the relation is already built up.